Here we have here we have Power Unlimited 48 bar. We have bar. And on the bar we have and Funky Town. We have 83 battery, 83 slot battery with stuff in it. And then we have a I think this is a 100 battery. And then we have two of these, which is Hot Shots 126. And we have two. And then we have Rockets. And we have more Rockets. And then we have big things that go up like 50 meters. And we have more Rockets. And then we have big dynamite sticks. So if you look at each one, there's 4 in a pack. And each one of these dynamite sticks are, the dynamite sticks. Okay.